Dear Grant, I just wanted to do a little video for you because I thought, look, the jobs my boys did are really good, and I hope it'll come out better in video than it will in photo. So as you can see, they've repainted everything all the way down from your skirts to your architrave. Almost looks like a brand new house. I'll walk you through each room. So the difference between colour, it's like I'd say probably a half bristle hog bristle by Dulux. That's the most commonly used. Then what I've got the guys to do is I've used an all-base paint on both the main door frames, the door jambs, and the doors. Just makes everything pop a little bit more. I do this with my own developments when they come through. Hope you can getting this on video. Oh, sorry, I've got to put a new globe in there. Yeah, they've done a really good job. I can't see a blemish, a drop, a scratch, a scuff mark. Even the doors are perfect. I get them to do all the doors by hand. We don't spray paint at all. And the ceiling, it's all beautiful, nice and white. Sorry, I hope you're getting this okay. It's the best thing I can do for you to show you everything. I'll show you the garage. The garage was a bit rough, as you can understand after so long. But have a look at the garage. All the skirts are perfect, all the way along. Walls, not a blemish, not a mark. And this is a rare. It's funny, like when I sell houses, people ask me, "Oh man, the garage is in bad shape." It's one of their points. You wouldn't think it would be, but it is. Just look at the door. I love those oil-based paints. It smells for a little bit, but it's so much better. Just makes everything pop, and it's easy to clean. Like if a stain gets on it, it's so much easier. It's the laundry. Everything's been painted again. All the doors. They even got a droplet on the door handles because I get them to remove everything. Around the bedroom. It's really good, Nick. Because the guys know they leave droplet marks or scratches or scuffs. I'll be sending them straight back to come and redo it. So they've learnt over the last 10 years exactly what my standards are. And it saves a lot of time too, because then a tenant can't claim, oh, there was a scratch mark there or scuff mark there. No. This house was in perfect condition when you got it with the paint. All the walls are in perfect condition. There's not a scratch, a dent, a blemish, a mark. It's a toilet. I know I'm being particular, but if you can see the gloss, hopefully it shines a bit through. It's beautiful. So much better. A lot of the painters these days, that's where they cut their costs. And that's where you lose a lot of the quality. Yeah, I've got another house after this in Raine where we got another painter, well the girls got another painter to do the job, and it's just been a disaster. So I've got to go there afterwards and get my guys to see how much it's going to cost to repair it all. Your main kitchen and living area. I think with this new paint job, it looks, like obviously the carpets are worn, but you got good space, you got tiled areas. We're definitely going to get more rent for this, that's for sure. I'll show you inside the wardrobes too. So as you can see, there's not a drip mark, a scratch, a scuff. It's all perfect. We'll just give the house a good clean and then get everything back on the market for you straight away so we can get you some income. But I hope you're happy with it. If there's anything else you need or anything else I can do for you, please let me know. But I think, by my standards, they've done a really good job. House is looking good. I guess we'll have to address the carpet in another 5 years, but apart from that, yeah, house is ready to go. Alright, I hope this helps, and if there's anything else I can do for you, please let me know. Thanks, Ray. Have a good weekend. Bye.